What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Gala, which has pumped up once again guys, 32% up in the last 24 hours. As you can see, consistent peaks in value. Not even in the last 24 hours, I'll say over the last 12 hours approximately, it has been gaining a decent amount of value, currently trading at 0.02363. So where is it heading to next? Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to drop back down? Is it time to invest? Is it time to sell? Covering both buyers and sellers point of view is what I'm going to be doing in today's video, and going through its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How high can Gala go? Can it hit the 5 cents, 10 cents target? And also looking at, can it give you a decent amount of return on investment throughout the whole year? And covering both short-term and long-term investors point of view. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, we are currently looking on the Coinbase website. The market is up just about 0.5% in the last 24 hours, and Gala has managed to gain the top spot in the top gainers list in the last 24 hours, which is absolutely insane. Yes, it did take a little bit of a drop yesterday, but right now it's pumping so much guys. In the last hour itself, managed to gain just over a percentage. Over the last day, 32%, and over the week, a massive 43% up, guys. So Gala has been performing very well since the start of 2023. 6 days in a row, it's been pumping up in value, which is absolutely insane. Over the month, however, it is down 14%, guys. So it all looks good on the hourly, daily, weekly chart, but as soon as you zoom out a little bit more, we can see that overall it is still down. So again, depending on when you've invested into Gala, you're probably still on quite a major loss, especially on the yearly chart. We can see it's 93% down, guys. So it's not all about the short term, it's also about the long term, especially for people like me who are into crypto for the long term run. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 445% in the last 24 hours, making it $245 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that has been traded over the last 24 hours on Gala. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general just a lot of people trading the crypto, as it has been gaining a lot of attention over the last few days, but especially over the last couple of hours as it has been pumping. We are going to see people getting excited, investing into the crypto, and we are going to see people selling it, taking out their profits. But overall, we are seeing a lot of people trading the crypto. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here, we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Gala at 0.01848 here in purple. However, it is trading at a much higher value here at 0.02343 here in red, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors. But before I do that, as usual guys, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line both heading towards the positive direction, looking very bullish, and they are looking very steep as well, which can only mean one thing: it is not realistic. The only reason why we're seeing steep lines going in a bullish direction is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so forth. However, that is not the truth. That is not realistic. Again, I'm expecting it to drop back down in value. It's already started to drop. As you can see, we can already see red candlesticks appearing on the screen, and I'm expecting it to more or less drop between the 2 cents target and 0.022 cents over the next 12 to 14 hours. So by early tomorrow to midday tomorrow, we should be back down to somewhere around here, approximately the 2 cents target. And again, that doesn't mean that from this point onwards we're going to be consistently hitting red candles. Of course not. It's likely for it to pump back even more than what it's worth at the moment, to about 0.026 to 0.028, and then slowly start to drop back down towards the 0.02 to 0.022 cents, somewhere around here, over the next 12 to 14 hours. Moving on to the hourly chart, the exact same reason here. The blue and the orange line are looking very bullish, heading towards a positive direction. So again, this is not realistic, exact same reason. So over the next couple of days, yes, I am expecting an overall increase in value, but not as much as what we can see from the graph. Nothing too major, no major pumps are expected. What I am expecting is a minimal increase in value, potentially heading towards the 3 cents target is what I'm expecting over the coming days. So let's say by next week, towards the end of next week, sorry, I'm expecting Gala to be trading around the 3 cents target, and that is considering the dips that are about to take place over the coming days as well. So just because it's going to go up in value, it doesn't mean that it's going to be consistently hitting green candles over the next 7-8 days consistently. Of course not. We are going to have red days when it's down, green days when it's up, but as long as the overall outcome is positive, that's all that matters. And at this point in moment, my predictions are positive for the next 7-8 days. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, as you can see, we're not looking as steep anymore, which means it's much more realistic. So the blue and the orange line are still going in a bullish direction, looking quite positive. And yes, an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting over the coming weeks. So let's say towards end of February to early March 2023, I am expecting an overall increase in value on Gala, potentially heading towards the 4 to 5 cents target is what I'm expecting towards the end of February, and even higher than that in early to mid March. But of course, this depends on how the crypto market performs. With any major crashes, major pumps, bull runs, and so on, will have a major positive or negative impact on the crypto market, and to be specific, Gala, because that's what we're talking about today. But yeah, anything like that, I will make sure to keep you guys updated on as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you can see, we are still trading in the red zone, and we've got a long way to go to hit the resistance target to head into the green zone. As you can see, 20 cents, and right now we are trading at just about 2 cents. So 10 times it needs to do for us to hit the green zone, which I'm not expecting from Gala anytime soon. Again, potentially second half of the year is where we're very likely to head into the green zone, but again, depends on the market conditions and so on. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Gala, guys. What I want you guys to do now is comment down below what your expectations and your predictions are. How high or how low do you guys predict Gala to hit in 2023? Let me know, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish, especially that I've seen a lot of positive and negative comments around this crypto. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just a quick one on Gala, as it is pumping. I thought, you know what, let me make a quick update for those of you guys who are thinking to invest or sell it, and so on and so on. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Before you click off the video, make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment, and all that stuff. You know what to do, as I'm trying to hit 100k by the end of the year, and if I do manage to hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, so make sure to subscribe. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.